today's game, I picked up some little plastic containers. You can get about 8 of these for $1 at the dollar store. And then I put 10 Skittles in each of them. We're going to take 10 rounds, and every time we're gonna shake it. And if we can end up, after our shake, having one stacked on top of the other, so there's double high, you got one! Good job! So he would get a point, because one of his was stacked on top of the other. For every stack you have, you get 1 point. Whoever has the most points at the end of 10 rounds is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, on your mark. Get set. Round 1. Oh, none for me. You got one, so Ken has 1 point. Good job. All right, round 2. None for me.
Oh, no.
None. So round 2 is still 1-0. Ready? 3.
Yay!
Oh, no. Round 4. You got another one. 2-0. You're rocking this game. All right, round 5.
Oh, 1.
3-0. You are doing so good. I am not doing so good. Round 6. Oh, so close. All right,
I would say 3.
Yep, 3-0. All right, round 7.
1.
4-0. Good job. I need to get one of these. Round 8. That's a big round.
Oh.
And 0 points. All right, round 9. I already know that I'm not going to be able to win. You're 4 and I'm 0. No, I could get like 4 stacked, so I actually could still win. It's got to be a big one. Yep, I think I can do it. All right, round 9. I'm going to try for 4 stacks. Ready, go. Ah! 5-0. All right, that is amazing. So 5-0 last round.
Last round.
That would be a miracle because there's 10 Skittles and I'd have to get all 5 of them stacked on top of 5 more. That would be pretty incredible. So I think it's maybe more just a matter of how much you win by.
5-1.
Ready? Big round, go. Ah, I still got 0.
Yes! I got 1.
Oh, that one you had it twisted, and when you flattened it, there were 0. So rematch. Okay, ready, set, go. Still 0.
Oh my.
And 0. But Grant, you're still our big winner. 5-0. Good job. High five.
I got 5.
You did get 5s. Oh, all right. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Just a second. My eyebrows.
Those are some interesting eyebrows, dude. I love it. Oh my gosh. Where's your happy eyebrows? Happy eyebrows. There you go. Those ones are happy eyebrows. Yay!